In this new year, I've decided it's time to be kinder to my rear. Hi all, I'm Chase. We're doing a new seat today. This is the Pizoma Chinese seat. I got it, it was like $100. It wasn't bad. I'll say that, it was not bad. It ended up being better than the worn down foam on my original seat. My original seat was great when I first got it, but as I rode and the foam started to age, it has broken down and it sucked. It was like riding on rocks. Now that's most Harley seats, unfortunately. Just the way it works out. So I got the Chinese seat. It was only $100. Somebody recommended it, so I said, screw it, why not? It's only $100. Now, I've always had a Saddleman seat on my bikes. Always. My Sportster, my Dyna, my Road King, always just go and get a step up right away. I did not do that for this, and the reason for that was I tried to step up on this. They had one at a Harley dealership. The guy let me throw it on one of the Pan Ams, and it sucked. It was not flat. It was like slanting me forward into the tank, and I hate that. I want a flat seat. This is as close as to flat as I've got, and I had to make some modifications to this to get it to be flat. That being said, this was before Saddleman, or at least I seen that they'd come out with one, a new seat that was not a step up. So this is the touring seat that they have for this, for the Pan Am, and man, it's going to be a big difference. I noticed it was very flat, and I got feedback from Anton G. I'm sorry, I don't remember the last digits of your handle. I'm not good with stuff like that, but I just remember a name. The guy comments, he follows me on Instagram, but he had some good things to say, so I said screw it. I waited till I seen it on sale, and unfortunately the sale lasted for a few hours, it looks like. I never even had a chance to post anything on it. I ordered it, left, I had to go somewhere, and I was gone for a few hours. I came back, they were either sold out or the price went back up. It was like a flash sale or something. It was at Spaz Cycle. Normally, the touring version of the Saddleman seat for the Pan Am is like $459. It was on sale. It was for $367, and then I found a coupon for Spaz Cycle that knocked it all the way down to $312 and some change out the door. So we'll say $313 out the door. Couldn't believe it. Really good luck. But like I said, I left, came back, the sale was no more. It was no more. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if they just sold out or if they made an error, but I have the seat sitting over there. We're gonna unbox it right now. All right, trusty Spyderco. And let's see what we got. Okay, there is a packing slip and some more stuff. Lots of packing. And we don't need that. Let's just tear into it like it's a... there we are. There's the seat. Oh, yeah. Let's get this puppy out. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is definitely going to be better. All right. Well, let's unbag this real quick. Let me get the bag off, and yeah. We'll slap this puppy on the bike. This looks like instructions. I'm a man. We don't read those. But, I mean, you should at least take a glance. I'm pretty sure it just goes on like every other seat that goes into, it fits on the Pan Am. Here's the instructions. There's a limited warranty on it. Let's see, congratulations and all that. Yeah, you pretty much just put it on like the other one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that carbon fiber, oh, that looks nice. Very nice. Let's see. Let's flip this over, take a look. Yep, that's pretty much it. Yeah, looks nice. It's been inspected. Some stickers and a little thing comes with it. Let's cut that off real quick. There we go. Okay, this is probably going to be the easiest thing you can install on your bike. Go in there, turn that. Rear seat comes off, front seat comes off. All right, let's try to put this puppy on. Okay, so to get the seat on, you're gonna have to actually turn the key and then reset it. It does not want to go in there. So, let's see. How does it feel? Oh wow, that's a lot different. A lot different. That's gonna be nice when I'm cranking on it. Yeah, that's wow, that's a lot different. This is the 1 inch lower one. So I don't know if it's 1 inch lower than where I had it, but we'll see. Let's get it off the center stand and see where it is. Well, it certainly looks better, that's for sure. I think it looks a lot better than the old step up. Let's see what it looks like on. Let's see what it looks like sitting on it. Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's nice. And I'm flat-footed. Yeah, pretty nice. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's gonna take some breaking in. I can feel that right now. Unfortunately, like I said, it's a new year. And there won't be any breaking in of this right now because of, yeah, that. Yeah. I guess that's it. It does feel a bit more comfortable. This part being rounded down is going to be a lot nicer, I can tell. The other one, I kind of had it like dig into my legs a little bit. So, and it is absolutely flat. Absolutely flat. The step up I tried, not flat. This, absolutely flat. I'm not being slid into the Hickory Nut Crunch, if you're familiar with that. Yeah, it's from an old movie. Yeah. Oh man, I'm an old man now. Jeez. But anyways, I guess that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding link to be notified of any videos I'm coming out with. And man, I think my next video will be trying this seat out, but that might be a while, like you see. Bye, y'all.